Ford Transit Custom, the small one, yeah. What we're doing is we're going to attempt to wire in a subwoofer. Let me show you the sub in the back. If you have a look there, we've got a Vibe 12-incher there. 12-inch Vibe. We're going to try to wire in. It's freezing out here, yeah. I ain't wired subs in for a long time, but we're going to give this a go. So there's the sub. I've had this sub for about, what, 10 years? 10 years or so going solid, yeah? In all my cars. It was even in my old van. So we pulled the whole head unit out. We're going to fit this amp here, the speakers. That will make the speakers a bit louder. Also give this his RCAs for our plugs to go into. The hardest bit is getting the wire from here through to the bay. So I figured out there was a grommet. There was a bit of wires. You can have a look under here, under the foot one. They go through there. Shine it up here and see if I can see the light. You can see the torch there, yeah? Where I'm placing this light, I can fish my cables up here and it's going to go through there. So that's what I'm 0.5 overflow pipe here. And I've pushed that all the way to the back here. You can see it there. The reason I've done that is I don't want this wire to get cut or anything when the seat's going back and forth. Push this under here. So now we've got all the cables to the back here, yeah? But we need to figure out an earth. We need to figure out where to earth this, yeah? So I'm thinking to earth it onto this, straight into the body. But the way I'm going to check this, I'm going to put the multimeter on here, DC. And I'm going to get my brother to put this other connection onto the battery. And I'm going to test it. So you're literally just going to get that. He's going to hold it onto the battery like that there. And the other one, this one, is going to go straight onto this screw. If I get 12 volts, then that earth is fine. There you can see, that volt's fine. So if I move this to the body here, I'm getting no power. So my earth is going to be this nut here, yeah? If I earth it onto that nut, I've got power. So I'm just going to put it onto that. So I've got the earth connection in there. Temporarily, we're going to put this straight in to here. You know, obviously you need a fuse usually. So we've connected everything up. We've pushed this little lamp here inside. Just by fitting this, the door speakers are gone twice, 3 times as loud. Now we're going to see if the sub works. And this here was the remote wire. So we set up equalizer, treble max, mid-range max, and bass 0. Yeah, so we don't want no bass coming out of these speakers. Everything should be coming from the sub.
I sound like a sinner.